Alright guys, it's raining outside today, so before we do another Opus one, just a little mod that we're going to be doing based on the fact that we are struggling a little bit for space on this kitchen. So we've come up with a comfortable way of doing the dishes, and it's quite simple. We just fold. We're just folding these away when it comes to dishes. You can also just close it up, but we just leave it up. So it gives us heaps of room for the dishes there. However, in terms of prep space, there's not much at all. So at the moment we're just running another separate table, but we're just going to be mixing that up a little bit today. So I've just nipped down to King's or Super Centre, and I bought their drawer slide fridge shelf. And I think I can chop this so that it works. So the plan of attack is to get it so that it rests on this table, and then we're going to end up with a massive amount of bench space here. So first up, we'll be chopping this lip off. This one here, like that. It's exactly how a cut sounds as well. And then we'll go from there. Right, so that's the table there. Obviously it's not quite level yet, so I'll have a stabilizer leg. The one that actually comes with the slide out kitchen table here, I'm going to use on the end of here, and then we just need to lock it in somehow with this bit. Well, what I'm thinking is by folding that down, this won't be able to pivot away anyway, so all I need is 2 locating bolts, and we shouldn't have a drama. The other thing is with this as well is it's just going to be stored inside of here, so it just fits if I have it the right way around. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Fuck. All right, so what I've done wrong here is I've bought the 1070 drawer table, and I needed a 900mm drawer table. So I did a trial run with my dad's one. His shelf is 40mm skinnier than mine, and it fits straight in that hole. And I've gone ahead and bought the wider one, which doesn't fit in there. So anyway, I'm still going to use it. Live and learn. Don't do my mistake. I'll put the link up, or the description up, of the size that you guys should buy, not this one, and you'll be happy days. All right, so I got it to fit. I just rolled in the edges. I don't know if you'll see properly or not. I'll do it like this. I've rolled in the edges so that it contours to the shape of the opening. I've also done it on concrete, so I've actually scratched up my table. So hopefully you guys learn from my mistakes, because sometimes I can be a little special, and by sometimes I mean 90% of the time. So she fits in there now though. So that's where it's going to be getting stored. that's it all done. Only took me half hour. I've traced out the original table so you can see the difference in size. So that was the little slide out one, which this now sits on. And yeah, we've taken the stabiliser leg away from there and I've just put it back on the original table because it's still solid as. And all I had to do to the original kitchen was drill 2 holes in. But you can see that doesn't really move much at all. It's quite solid. And to get it out might be a bit difficult with, I'll put you back in the tripod. You do need 2 hands because it gets caught on the threads a little bit, but eventually I'll make little pins. But it's just a matter of lifting it up like that.
See, you already hurt yourself.
Yep. You can do it.
Okay. Why am I doing this? I'm never going to be doing this while we're camping.
Yeah,
Just
you
saying.
Huh? Just got to line the holes up.
I did.
Yeah, pull the table, the other table out as you do
I
it.
did.
Yeah, I'll pop in.
Right, let's... There it is.
You're making it look hard. Give me this. Here you go.
No,
Hold the
shut
camera.
up. Shut up.
You gotta hold that shelf. Pull it back.
Don't tell me.
Push this forward. Give it here.
Think you called you, yeah?
You didn't even have the holes lined up.
Yeah, I did.
You didn't. Easy.
See? Perfect.
Also just want to say thanks to everyone that's liking and subscribing to my videos. I've noticed my channel's starting to grow a bit now. Getting pretty close to being monetized, so keep it up. And if you're new to this one, go check out my other videos and maybe give them a like as well.